Good morning, sweet mint. Looking nice. Strawberry, looking good. You got a little bit of poo on you. Tabasco, you're looking hot. Blueberry blooms, coming out nice. Other blueberry, not doing as well as the other. Kiwi is about that tall. Super sweet cherry tomato. And then Louis has grown that tall since our last recording. One I haven't done a video on yet is the sun sugar. It's already got some blooms on it. Just got hit in the head by a bee, but here's some kale. Cucumber. Cucumber. And the lentils from our little lentil project are doing nice. Look at these little things going on right here. Little buds for our Thai plant. Thai pepper. And within 2 weeks, these Chinese beans are doing great. And a rose.